Prior to starting the video, it is important to note that businesses are not able to bribe home stars in order to manipulate or delete their reviews. Every review received is thoroughly checked by moderation to prevent any fraudulent or fake reviews. For further information, please refer to the Home Stars Review Guidelines. Your windows are the eyes of your home, and the right window treatments can make all the difference in enhancing their beauty and functionality. Whether you're drawn to the sleek and modern appeal of roller shades, the timeless elegance of wood shutters, or the energy-efficient benefits of cellular shades, there's a custom window treatment solution that can perfectly complement your Toronto area home. By working with a reputable and experienced window treatment provider like Diamond Custom Shutters, you can transform your windows and create a space that reflects your personal style and design preferences. From the initial consultation to the final installation, we'll guide you through the process, ensuring that your new window treatments not only look stunning, but also perform flawlessly for years to come. Ready to take the first step in transforming your windows for your home or business? Contact our team of window treatment experts today to schedule a consultation and discover the endless possibilities for your home. With our wide selection of Canadian custom-made blinds, shutters, and shades, we'll help you find the perfect solution to enhance your space and elevate your overall living experience. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Feel free to confirm our 99% positive review ratings on Home Stars from the link in the description and have an awesome day.